So now let's start the assembly. In the assembly, if I check here, it is 2 lane 3.65 with the pipe 7, 20 and 30 are the thickness of the layer. So I will go to home tab, I will click the tool palette, and from the lane I will select the general payment structure, or this one the single lane. I will create the lane super elevation I want. I will not change anything here. I will just create, and then right side I will write uh, let's say right side uh, 0 1, so you will understand this the inside lane. Now if you want to change the width and the thickness from here, you can also change running from here. This was 3.65. You can check before and that change the value in that before, but normally I'm doing like this, so I'm doing changing here 0.05, 0.07, 0.20 and 0.30. The super elevation you must write lane inside the away from ground is going away from ground. uh, okay, the favorite form potential, okay, it will rotate from this point, the ground inside and outside edge of the pavement, and it's a edge of lane. This is the point, edge of lane, and then apply and okay. Now as you can see 3.65, 2 meter 2% slope. The next lane I will not make another one. I will just click here and then copy, click here at the end of this one, and only I will change this 2, so I will understand this the lane number 2. Okay, now as you can see, only what we need to change the this not the ground, the inside point is the edge of lane, and the outside point is edge of travel way. And here okay. Now what we need in the next thing here, the small nose, this one here, also here, from starting here and then from starting here, same according to the thickness. So to create that nose, I will go to the basic. In the basic, general pavement structure is using for this purpose. So the first I will click here, and pave 1 I will write this is pave 1, so I will write pave 1. Okay, and as you click here, you will see this is going away from here. I need only here, if you check here, the upper distance, the width is 0, and here it will go 5 cm because this is 1 to 1 slope. So the thickness of this layer is 5 cm, so it will go here 5 cm. So the same value I will put here. I will select this one. I will go to the property. Inside the property, what will I do? The width here, if I go to help, you will see there is the width and there is a shift width. Shift width will shift the actual width alongside, and then the edge slope and the depth. So for that purpose, what will I do? The width is 0.001, mean 0, and the shift width is 0.05, below 2%, the same as the side slope 1. The most important thing, you must put the shape code. First I will not put the shape code, and you will see what will happen. As you can see here, the thickness 0.05, I will apply here. Now it's okay, but the color is not matching here until you put the code here, and then the same code which is written here in the code from you can check, and when you apply okay. Now it's changed according to the some shape code inside link, outside link. You can give code here and then name to your line, the outside link code here. The next thing, the nose, if not appearing here, so you will go to the deflect outer vertical page and then click yes and ok, apply, and here as you can see now it should not go be like this, it must be end here, and then the width is 0.001, you must put here, and then shift width is 0.05 and the upper width is 0. I put 0 width, so it must be 0. If I put the 0, what will happen? Okay, so both when I put 0, it will go from here 5 cm, and I don't need the width, the shift width. Now what will I do? I will just take copy from the one and put here, and I will take this as a pav 2. Okay, here I will go to the property parameter, this pav 2, the parameter, it will first from here it will go 5 cm, the width is 5 cm, and if I we select the wrong one, sorry, this just select this one and go to the property, and the parameter, the width is now 0.05 cm. So when you click apply, okay, you will see it will end here, and then if there is any other slope you can put, but here you must put the pav 2 code. And also the thickness is not the same, so you must put the 0.07. And now just check the section here, if there is a width, more width, you can check from here how much width is. It's 10 cm and 5 cm here, this 5 cm, and then so total 15 cm. I will put the width here, 10 cm, and same like you can put like depending on your section, or if you don't put here, put shift width here, so it will shift. Suppose this was the 5 cm, same like here, only 0.05, and then put here the 0.10, 10 cm, it's shifting, so the same it will go outside this one. And the code I put here, from here you will get, just click here and go to the property, the from the this one, this pav 1, pav 2, you must put the same name here, the base, sub base, same code for this one you must put here, so it will be appearing like this one. If I change the assembly type, you will see from here. So when I select with the hedge style and apply, you will see here the color will be same. So from here you will know. Let's try another one. I will copy this one to the third layer, which is base. So I will write base here. Okay, then I will select a parameter from here. As you know, this width is 15 cm, so the downside, the top side is 15 cm, and below it's almost 20 cm, so I will write shift width 20 cm. Now I click here, the thickness is 0.2, and until I did not change the code, you will see the color is not matching. So I must put the same name here, BASE, base, and when I click OK, you will see the code is same. So now it will calculate the material is same as the one. Okay, then I will copy this two. Sorry, I will select this one and then copy to the last one. This is sub base. And now I will go to this property from here. The it was 35, so I will put here 35 and click OK. So now 35 is ending here. The width is 0.3, so it will go 20 cm outside. So I will put here this let's say the is 55, and now OK. You must check from your section. So like this you can create to have here according to your typical section. What type of typical section you have, you must create. So this was the lane, creation of lane. Now we have the curve stone.